Hello everyone, welcome back to Software Here Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create autoresponder email in Elementor forms. Like someone came to your site and filled out this form, he will get an autoresponder or a confirmation email from you. You can create this in every form builder plugin, but in this video I am going to show you how to create it in Elementor forms. So to create the responder email, let's begin. First of all, I will edit the form by going to Elementor editor. Now here in the page I will edit the form. Here you can see all the fields that I have in this form, but you can select the email submissions and other things in the action after submission. So here first of all I will choose collect submission, so I can collect all the submission on my website dashboard, and then I will select email. Now under this you can see a new tab appears with the email. Now here I will add admin email so I can get all the submissions on my email. So I will add the email. Next you have to add the subject. I will add new contact request. Now here select all fields so you can collect all the data on your email. Here you can add your from email. I will select this one, the same email, and the form name I will add contact form. Now Elementor will submit all the data on the admin email, but if you want to create an autoresponder, so you have to select email to from actions after submissions. Now here in the email to you can create the autoresponder. So to create it you have to add a shortcode. Go to the form fields and in the email address go to advanced, and here you have this shortcode for the email. Copy this one and go back to the email to and paste it here. Now add subject here. I will add new message from Software Tech. And here you can add custom message. I will add thanks for contacting us. We will get back to you shortly. Now add the from email. I will add the same admin email here. Just copy it and paste it there. And here you can add form name. I will add contact form here too. You can change it as you want. And here the CC mail. If you want to collect this autoresponder email on a specific mail, you can add there. But for now I will leave this and just I will update the page. Now after updating I will preview and test the form live. So now here I will type name, email. Here I will add my personal email so I can check the responder email submission, and I will add message, hi, this is a test email. Now click on submit. Now the form was successfully submitted. Now I will open the email. Now here you can see we received a new email from the website and you can see all the fields here. Now I will check the responder email, so I will log into my personal mail, and here you can see I have received this responder email. Thanks for contacting us, we will get back to you shortly. Here is the subject, new message from the Software Tech. So that's how you can create a responder email in Elementor forms. You can use email to in every form builder to create an autoresponder. All of the form builders give you this functionality. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.